This is a video I never thought I was going to have to make. This is a call to action because Katherine Henry is on trial. That's right. She is facing misdemeanor charges, and the trial is this Wednesday at 9 a.m., and we need you to show up. We need to show up with your signs and your smiles to peacefully protest in support of the Constitution, the Michigan law, and of attorney Katherine Henry. Do you guys remember way back when on Election Day when Katherine was arrested? She was arrested for for supporting a circulator who had the Restore Freedom petition. They were legally on a property where there was a polling precinct happening, and the rule is you have to be over 100 feet from the door. And they were following the law, supported by the Constitution, and yet Katherine was arrested for exercising this right. This is very wrong, and everyone should be up in arms over this. Help us send a message that this form of tyranny will not be tolerated in Michigan. It will be not tolerated anywhere. Support us. Support Katherine. Share this video. Share the event page. If you can't attend, consider donating. Consider praying. Help us stand with Katherine. Stand with the Constitution.